Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said that the Ukrainian military control and the energy system infrastructure continued to come under attack from the armed forces of the Russian Federation using a high-precision, long-range air-based weapons. Every target that was assigned has been eliminated. The armed forces of Ukraine has been unsuccessfully in their attempts to cross the Zherebets River between Nadiya, Stelmakhovka, Makeyevka, Lugansk People Republic, and Yampolovka, Donetsk People Republic, in the direction of Krasny Liman due to the concentrated fire from Russian forces. Russian artillery and army aircraft have been initiated fire strikes against the enemy, forcing back to their starting position. There have been about 40 Ukrainian servicemen killed, along with the 2 armored fighting vehicles and 3 pickups. More than 3 battalions of armed forces of Ukraine, one of them was armored, made an effort to breach the line defense set up by the Russian soldiers near Novaya Kamenka, Krasny Liman, Kherson region. In the vicinity of Sukhanovo, the enemy was able to intrude of the Russian soldiers defending themselves in the Kherson region. Ukrainian units were forced to flee in a chaotic manner as a result of the well-planned ambush operation by the Russian command, which included armored reserve forces. In a total, 324 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,296 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 3,926 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 874 fighting vehicles equipped with a multiple rocket launcher system, 3,511 field artillery cannons and mortars, and as well as 6,665 units of the military special hardware have been destroyed during the special military operation. The last update, Ukrainian authority also report the Russian significant losses of military hardware. 2,567 tanks, 246 helicopters, 269 military jets and air defense system, 3,005 vehicles, 372 multiple rocket launcher system and 1,311 unmanned aerial vehicles and 329 cruise missiles.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.